Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Farm and Farm, and today we will learn that why the capacity of mixing equipments used for powders is always mentioned in liters, and we do not take the capacity of these equipments like double cone blender, bin blender and rapid mixing granulator in kilogram. This question was asked by one of my subscriber, and in this video we will learn the reason behind this fact. So if you have not subscribed my channel, first of all press the subscribe button. The reason to mention the capacity of these equipments in liter is that how much quantity of material can be added in these equipments is dependent upon the bulk density of those specific materials which we want to add in these equipments. Suppose that if we want to add heavy materials like calcium carbonate, it will occupy less space and more quantity of these materials can be added in the blender. And if we want to add lighter materials like aerosol, then they have the low bulk density and they occupy more space, so less quantity of these materials will be added in this equipment. So suppose that if we mention that our double cone blender has capacity in kilograms like 200 kilogram, so it means that we claim that any material can be added up to 200 kilogram in these blenders. But when we will add aerosol, it will take only 10 to 20 kilograms and it will be filled. And when we add any heavy material like lactose, maybe we can add up to 200 kilogram. So whenever we mention capacity in kilograms, it means that we are limiting ourselves, mean we are fixing the capacity, and this claim is wrong, because when we take the capacity in liters, it means that our blender remains same but its capacity vary depending upon the bulk density of those materials which we want to add in these blenders. Suppose that we have a heavy material like calcium carbonate and we have same blender having capacity of 200 liters. So heavy material having bulk density 0.8 gram per ml. How to calculate? We will simply multiply bulk density with maximum capacity in liters. The answer will be 160 kilogram. Mean heavy materials or those materials having high bulk density like calcium carbonate can be added up to 160 kilogram till its brimful, mean it till its 100% capacity. So when we take the lighter material like valsartan, we know that the bulk density of valsartan is less and it's suppose it have the value of 0.5 gram per ml. When we will calculate, then the answer will be 100 kilogram. Mean we have same blender, but we can add 160 kilogram of the calcium carbonate till its brimful volume, and we can add 100 kilogram of the valsartan till its brimful volume. How much volume is taken to mix the material? It is explained in another video and the link is provided in description. I hope now you are familiar that why the capacity of these equipments is always mentioned in the liters. So if you like the video, share it to others, subscribe my channel. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.